How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Hope you guys are doing well. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Pessane, for those of you that it's the first time coming across my channel, and I'm a UX UI designer. Right, guys? So, like, share, subscribe, comment down below, guys. I'd really like to hear what you guys have to say about my content. It's all for you guys. So, guys, please as well follow me on my social medias: LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram, here on YouTube, and of course on Dribbble as well. Right, guys, so without any further ado, let's jump on today's episode. Today we're talking about Spotify design system. Right, since we're talking about Spotify design system, there's quite a few things that we can look into it. I know it says Spotify for developers, but that's the whole point. The design system is not only used in Figma, but it's also used across multiple other programs, right? One of them being, your regular IDEs, right, for development. This is one of them. And yeah, you can come here to Spotify. Let's come to introduction. There we go. Design guidelines. Right. So it gives you their Spotify on how they use their logos, their IDV across multiple contents in that case, right? Let's check out attribution, using your content, right? That's the one, right? Link into Spotify, playing views, right? Showing entities, right? Design, right? And then we also have here playing views. See how it shows. If this is a watch, that's a mobile, that's on the web for them. Show entities, using your logo, right? And using your colors. Then of course fonts to use, the recommended fonts that they use. They use Helvetica, New, Arial, and many more. Sorry guys, just making sure everything here is connected. Give me a second. Give me a second, guys. Cool. Another one we can look into is Oracle Design System. So, guys, Oracle Design System is basically the parent company for TikTok, right? So we get to check out a little bit of the design system. As you can see, you can get it for design, for code as well, right? Let's just start here and see. English, please. You can get started here on React and Vue as well. Basically everything that you have for React and everything that you have for Vue, you can also have it in Figma, right? There we go. There we go. We have red, orange, all these other colors over here, and the regular Oracle blue. Let's check out design variables. This is their color, right? The link colors, the data colors, the border colors, the fill colors, the text colors, background colors, right? Internationalization. All components and text are Chinese, but they have it all in English as well for those that use React and Vue, right? Custom themes. There's quite a handful over here as well. Feel free to reach out. So, but let's go to components, guys. Let's jump into general button. You see, button, basic image, basic usage, primary, secondary, dash, outline text, icon button there, and then button shape, this one, right? There's mini, small, default, large, warning, danger, success, primary, secondary, dashed, outline, text, loading button. Then iconography, of course, you can't go without these icons. You have icons over here. Look at the icons. Yeah, remember guys, this is the TikTok. This is the TikTok design system, right? Arco Design, which is the parent company for TikTok. Alright, look at all these icons. Then you get links. Let's check out the links. Error links, success links, warning links, icons, floating styles, right? Use with drop down. You can use your drop downs over there. You can use your APIs as well. Let's check out typography, design system, Arco, particular custom design. What font is this? Let's check out. Text, paragraphs, that's how it is. Interactive, that's how it is. And text omission, that's how it is. Text omitted, fighter. Columns, horizontal layouts, vertical layouts, have responsive layouts, flex usage, grid usage, APIs, of course, layout, basic layout, header, content, footer, header, cider, content, footer, then header, content, cider, footer, then header, cider, content, footer, and many more. this is what it would look like implemented, right? Including your drop downs and then spacing space right around there. If you check out TikTok, this is more their style, you know. Let's check out their avatars. Yep, this matches basic usage. Get there, right? A circle, mostly circles. Avatar group, something like that. Interactive buttons as well. There we go. Automatically adjust font size. There we go. Independent use. Little red dot. Animation effects. Here we go. Calendar. Oracle cards. That's how their cards would look like, more or less, in gray background, in white background overall, and with text, right? Let's check out the image carousel. Most basic use, automatic use, automatic switching. Then at the bottom you can have either dots, a line, or a slider. Then you can put it on the left, on the right, at the top, at the bottom, outer. Prefer the bottom. Collapsed panel. Right. Here we go. And comment basic usage, alignment, nested comments, typical TikTok. Let's check out descriptions. Right, descriptions. Let's check out images. This is what it was look like. I like the style like this. Make the image darker, and then this one. And remember, guys, you can either get this in a Figma, right, or you can copy the source code here and then you implement it wherever it is that you're developing your project. List. There you go. This is how it looks like, more or less, in a list. Pop over. Numerical display of statistic. Table. Jane Doe, Alyssa Ross. And tabs, tags, timeline. You can also reverse it. Right, text bubble tooltip. Right, tree. Let's check out trio. You click, it basically goes something like this. Click, then click, and it gives you what you want. Autocomplete. Please enter. Custom options. Cascader selection. Is that what it's called? Interesting. Never knew that. Checkbox. Alright, there we go. Your checkbox, all your radio clicks and everything along those lines. Right. Color picker. Inline, vertical, horizontal. That got two. Input box, have that there as well. Well guys, it just keeps going. Radio mentions, radio buttons. These are what radio buttons are. You select them like this, and then your multiple choice or radio button groups. Guys, it just keeps going. Sliders, we went through a few of these on the other ones, but it's important that you guys know as well. Remember, all of these are also available in Figma format for designers. All right, there we go. Upload, you click to upload, click to download, upload different ways of uploading. You have this long one here. This is crazy. Warning alert. There we go. Drawer, and so many more. Right guys, thank you so much for watching today's episode. Please stay tuned. We have many more episodes to come. We'll go back to designing again as well, but it's important to you guys, for you guys to know and understand all these things, right? So to know what design systems are, how to get them, where to get them from, what do your designs, what type of designs you want to design, and everything along those lines, right? My name is Pessane. For those of you that's the first time coming across my channel, I'm a UX UI designer. Thank you so much. Follow me on my social medias: Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, here on YouTube, and of course on Dribbble as well. Guys, reach out to me if you need websites, landing pages, mobile apps, web apps, and UX orders. I'm your go-to guy. See you next time.